I'm a little disappointed, but I guess it is what it is. Sure. Look at this. London. Wow. Just wow. That's all I'm gonna say with regards to London. I will say no more on that matter. Hey Mark, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Hope you're doing amazing. So I keep checking to see if I can trade yet. Apparently not. Seriously. Clearly the market just didn't want me to win today. Hey Jacob, what's up? How are you? Happy nearly Valentine's Day. Nearly Valentine's Day being the key word, right? We're nearly there, so close, yet so far. Tomorrow is indeed Valentine's. Let me quickly mark out. Okay, nothing super significant. I'll mark these out, as well as these swing highs and swing lows. I will just call them the London high and London low, but cool. And London high. I know a bunch of ICT traders are going to come at me for doing this, but it is what it is. Okie dokie. And done. Wow, London did not move nicely at all. Did anyone trade London? Was it okay? Did you hate it? Did you love it? I forgot to put... Listen, I thought something was missing. Something was bugging me. That 24800 though. Rip. That was impressive. That was thoroughly impressive. You can call me very impressed. Very, very impressed. How are you doing? All the better for seeing. Aw. Oh! You're amazing! When did you do it? Shout out to Juan. Shout out, shout out, shout out. Whoop whoop. Shout out for using my code MADLOVE. You are awesome. You are amazing. And wait, you get a whoop whoop and you get... You deserve it. And you get a huge shout out. Definitely. Huge shout out. Oh, we got two Juans here today. How are you doing? How's everyone? You bought it this morning, came to say hi and wish you all good luck, but I have to run. Oh, okay, Rip. Well, thank you for stopping in. I still can't trade, unfortunately for me. Eddie, what's up? I could have taken the drop in the beginning of London, but I was fixing something. It happens. Imagine this will be an interesting day. Okay, wait. Angry Bob? Why do you say that? I'm not calling him Angry Bob because I think he's angry. That's literally his name. Okay.
Hi.
Just saying.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And good afternoon, depending on where you're at. For me, it's good afternoon. Good evening to some people as well. I forget, it's late at night some places, but I think majority it's good morning, right? Not here in SA, but everywhere else. They can only be... That was good. That was amazing. Is it Halloween again already? No, it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, Bob. It's Valentine's Day tomorrow. Wait, are you saying I look scary? Is that what I'm getting from that? Do I look scary? That's mean. I thought I looked cute, but okay, it's fine. There can only be Juan. That was the best so far. Good demand, folks. 24615, huge demand zone. Right, under equal close. Price is gonna dump.
Good morning.
And then bouncing, looking for. Otherwise, I probably won't trade. Interesting bounty on my head. Well, I want to cry. I probably can't trade either. Which really, really sucks. But I guess, you know, nothing I can do about it. Hey Sally, how are you? Missed you this morning. Hope you had a good sleep. Were you sleeping? I'm assuming you were sleeping. Or were you fishing? I don't know. Wanting the colors remind me of Gogurt. You look like my ex-boyfriend. Well, Damn. Maybe you need to double check that he was a guy. Anyways, what's up, Little Red? How are you today? Hey, Alex, how you doing? I'm not trading this today. Oh, interesting, Juan. Why is that? Why not? Well, I mean, London looks shocking, but I mean, London looked shocking yesterday, and then, I mean, we all saw that dump that happened during the New York session. Yeah, I did my weekly 12-hour sleep catch-up. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense, Ollie. Yeah, you know, get it all in, get it all out the way in one go. Valid. Hey, Foreigner, what's up? How you doing? Just passing great tits. Thanks. Anyways, moving on. What's up from Sydney? Hi, how are you? Welcome from South Africa. How's it going? Just wanted to take a break, and President's Day on Monday, so there could be some dumb things happening today going into the weekend. Fridays have always been my worst day to trade. Oh, right. Okay, so there is a holiday... Sorry, there was something there. There is a holiday... Bank holiday on Monday, right? Clearly trading was just not in the books for me today. Fortunately and unfortunately, I hopped onto my top one dashboard today, and it said that I had lost $1,102. I nearly fell over because I was like, how is that possible? I haven't even traded today, and it put my balance at 51653. I was panicking. I was like, oh my gosh, did I accidentally leave something somewhere? But no, there is an issue. Let me double check what this said. There is an issue with the synchronizing or synchronization, because on Traderify my balance is still correct. When it will, you know, when it shows up, my balance is still correct. Hello. Okay, give it a minute. Well, apparently I don't have a balance right now. That's not helping the anxiety that I feel behind this, but I think it's also because my Wi-Fi is having a mini moment. There we go. Okay, so my balance is correct. It's 52755 on TradingView. So they advise that I do not trade until they've sorted out the issue on their side, which is very frustrating. I did email them now and ask for an update, so let's see. Maybe it can get sorted. Maybe there's something that can be done. Who knows? Very, very frustrating. I just won a 50k eval with Lucid and I can't even use it in SA. No, OTT, that's not okay. That's not okay. What are you gonna do then? Are you gonna gift it to someone else? Hey Mohammed, how you doing? Farna, good, you made 6k this week. Nice. Aren't you freaking cool? I'm jelly. One day I'll be that cool. Hey Alex, I love the dress. Cute glasses. Thank you. Hey, the Punisher. That sounds very scary. It's worth watching with a potential short soon. Just need confirmation. What's... It's still bad Wi-Fi. You would think that these things would pick up some decent Wi-Fi, but apparently not. Come on. Work. Maya's about to go on a date with that dress. No. 45 away. That's child's play. You got... But Bob, I can't even trade today. I slept well last night. I woke up and I was like, you know, today is the day. And then now I can't trade. So I'm here. Let's see, this might make me depressed, maybe an amazing... Okay, to be fair, I'm low-key glad I couldn't trade London session. London was... There was only 2 decent trades I could have taken. Would I have taken them though? I would not have taken this one. This one maybe. So in all honesty, there was only 1 trade that I could have taken. That's it. 1. So, you know, I didn't miss out much on London. Watch New York be a banger then, and I cannot even trade. Okay, we got 5 minutes to go. Ooh, relative equal highs have now been formed. Nice. I'm gonna mark this out here. Relative equal highs. Davy Joe, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I can't hear. You can't hear. You good? Is it better? Mid 700 to do the work. Win, take it and run, honestly. Literally 1 mini, 10 points, Bob is right. But I can't trade today. I literally, not that I don't want to trade, I literally cannot trade now because of the whole syncing issue. They told me to leave it alone. Literally, must I read this? Okay. There's a synchronization issue between Tradeovate and my dashboard. Please rest assured that your actual trading data and profits are safe. So the correct data is on TradingView, so I haven't lost anything, thank heavens. But we strongly recommend that you pause trading immediately to prevent any further discrepancies with your account status. Like I said, I did send them another email now asking for an update, but until my dashboard shows the correct amount, I can't trade. But not that I don't want to place a trade, I literally cannot place a trade. So that sucks. Hey Jordy, what's up? Should I do an OTT giveaway? Do it! Or do you want me to do it? Oh yeah, I'll say it's from OTT. We can do it on this. Or do you want to do it yourself? Whatever, you let me know. I will happily do it for you, OTT, but that's just me being great. Give me your thing and I'll do a giveaway. That's so cheeky. I definitely know. Not cool. I'm still oh damn. Oh Barona, why what happened? One day I'll be free. I hear that. 50 subs, giveaway, hype it up in my chat for a week. There we go. I have dressed too good today to be depressed. You are low key today, but maybe not the ICT today, just saying. This which part, Bob? I'm based in a $20 chicken meal now, eating the 50k lucid flex. Oh, nice. Then paper trade you can start. Yeah, but that's exactly. I'm still gonna get, you know, focus on my setups, see how it goes. Like I said, still get the practice in. Yeah, I want to give away. Got a code for the free one right now. Competition entries. I have to include them following you and Ash. Ooh, there we go. I like that. Shame, but OTT wants to give his own giveaway. That's valid. OTT, you know that it means you have to do a stream, right? Just saying. It means you have to actually stream. Just, you know, just saying for a friend. That you gotta, you know, gotta actually go live. Just saying, just saying. Okay, wait, let's focus. It is Friday and Monday is a public holiday, so I wonder if some people have just decided to take like a long weekend. Like you, Juan, maybe people are just like, yeah, long weekend time, and it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, and so who knows? Maybe people have booked dates already today. Paper trade. I don't want to give away. I want an account. I know OTT, but life's just not fair. Gonna have to immigrate if you want to do that. They just don't like us very much, do they? 929. But Bob, I agree. It does suck. I will give credit where credit is due, though. They were very quick at responding. They were very, very quick at responding. Not so quick at fixing the issue, clearly, because I still have this issue and I sent that message or that email before London. Clearly, I just wasn't meant to trade today. Okay, but anyways, here we go. This is pain, I know. Okay, 9:30 open, let's see. I'm trying to be good and drink more water. Especially today. Today was insanely hot. Okay, to subscribe to my AI trading activities. What about you? Nice. Freaking doji to open. To be fair, this is how it started yesterday. It started with the doji yesterday. 3, 2, 1, boom. This is how it started yesterday. Okay, here's the 9:30 a.m. range. Sorry, you guys are gonna see me check this very often because I just I'm so bummed that I can't trade today. I'm so bummed, but it is what it is. Hey, Ali Fiando. No, I can't trade today, unfortunately. Yeah, unlucks for me. But 9:30 has just opened. I'm going to carry on as if I can trade. It's why I'm also wearing these glasses today, because apparently I don't have to pay attention to what's happening on the screen, so I don't need to see. Who needs to be able to see what's happening? It's okay. Masterhound, you gotta be South African, right? I can hear it in the accent. How did you know? Yeah, how's it going? I am indeed South African. Maya and Adam, I would kill not to trade. Why? Why don't you want to trade? OTT? Why? We lived in Australia, so it's mixed with... I do not live in Australia. I am South African. I live in South Africa. That's it. End of story. Masterhound, I'm assuming you're also South African. How's it going? What part of SA are you from? Alex, what happened? Why can't I trade? Oh, just a bit of a... What did they call it? A synchronization issue, if you will, between my dashboard and trading view. Yeah. I'm not the only one with this issue. Okay. Someone this morning during London also said there was top one. They also had the same issue, except mine said I was down 1,000 something dollars. Apparently they said they were down $3,000. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I guess it is what it is. Corona. Trading's a track, but I love it. Aw, thank you, the Punisher. Guess what? My dress has pockets. This is the best dress in the world because it has pockets. You do not find dresses that have pockets, but this dress has pockets, so I'm winning. You still do the bracket thing when a setup is coming. You mean the GAN box? Yes, I do that. Payout, and it's over now, honestly. Is that what they're calling it these days? Yeah, apparently, Bob, apparently. Are we still going? Microwave? Microwave. I will go on about these pockets until the day I die. Okay, I'm just saying. Ask your girlfriend to have a dress with pockets is... It does not happen. Thank you, Greyhound friend. I'm actually a Ukrainian living in Australia. What? I grew up in an area when I said you were from Johannesburg, so I can hear the accent from miles away. That is so cool. Wow, that is awesome. And you're in Australia? I have quite a bit of Australians. I love it. Also, why are you awake right now if you're in Australia? I would ask Solly the same question, but I already know the answer to that. A fresh pair of... What? Bob, what is that? What's a fresh pair of K-Swiss to wear with that? What's that? What is K-Swiss? Aaron a Foxhole, hi. Hey, Robocop, how you doing? Market scary. little boy most of the time, so... I mean, Miguave, to be fair, 99% of the time I'm in tights. I own a lot of dresses. Do I ever wear them that often? No, not really. This is like the first time in a very long time that I have indeed worn a dress. I'm mostly in tights, and that's basically what I live in. No first presented yet either. Sorry, you guys are gonna have me talking a lot because... sad. South Africans are waiting to welcome y'all in. I know, literally. K-Swiss are sneakers. Really? K-Swiss are sneakers? Okay, wait, let's quickly Google because I'm curious. Shall we quickly Google K-Swiss? Do we have it in South Africa? I don't know if we have it in South Africa. Do we have it in South Africa? K-Swiss. Oh, Google. These things are expensive. What the heck, man? Like, well, okay, they're not that bad. I'm being very overdramatic, but 1,000, 2,000 rand, 2,500 rand. What the heck? I mean, these ones are cheap-ish. 356 rand. Oh, it's on Shein. Never mind. That makes sense. It's from Shein. Oh, that would happen. That would do it. That would definitely do it. Huh. Interesting. These white ones with this dress, you are correct, actually would. Ooh! These would look nice. The problem is, hear me out. This is gonna sound weird. The problem is that they are white. Because I will wear them all the time and they will get dirty. I mean, there's black pair, I guess. But then, it is what it is. Google it for shoes, man. Are you freezing? Oh, did you? Wow. I'm hands off until 10 AM. Is there news? Still no first presented. Still no nothing. No nothing. Bullish or bearish? Ernest sideways. That sideways. Freeze. We haven't. Oh, what rock have you been? So I'm not really a shoe person. Sorry. I'm not really a shoe person. Can I show you guys how I learned how to tie my shoelaces? It's so cool and it looks like magic. I love it so much. I'm going, oh, I forgot to put my bow tie on. That's terrible of me. I'm so sorry. I looked all fancy for London. There we go. We're back to looking fancy now. There we go. We got it. We got it. Y'all get the fancy now. There we go. This feels oddly personal right now. Maya's head is so big. I'm so sorry. Now we are shoe shopping. Yeah, actually during London we were looking at cars. Now we're looking at shoes. How much is that in people money? You mean in dollars? Let's go see. Hey, what's up? Congrats on your mini views. Oh, thank you, Jermaine. You're so sweet. Whoever said Maya is a South African living in Australia, I can see where you're coming from. 100% sounds like a South African from eastern suburbs of Sydney. Straight out of Dover. Really? So what I'm hearing is that I will fit in Australia. Right? Is that what I'm hearing? I'll be just grand. Hey, Blocks Roddy, what's up? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Yeah. Jermaine, don't I think it's bearish today? I think it could go bearish today. I'm still... Let's find out. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's find out. Sideways is still definitely in the cards. Ooh, bob to bob level. Look at that. Literally in 2 candles. What the heck? The lower your RR, the better your win rate. I'm a 5 years experienced trader. Interesting. Okay, Blocks Roddy, what's your RR? This is RR. I always feel weird saying that. This is a debate I've been having in my mind for a very long time. One day I'm going to do something that's going to upset a lot of people. Not yet, but one day I'm gonna do something that's gonna upset a lot of people. I can tell you that much, but we're not there yet. Do you know any of these places that Master Hub is talking about? Hello, hello, hello! Do you want to come say hi to everybody? Okay, do you want to put on the glasses again? Come here. Come here. The main man's in the house. But not just that, the main man. How cool you look! Come show them! No, wait, your glasses are falling off. Come show them how cool you look with your glasses on! How cute! How amazing! With his glasses. Good boy. And now they're sliding down. You look like a judgy teacher. There we go. The main man. Maya apology video before GTA 6. Why, what did I do? What I'm meant to keep looking for, but there is just one thing I'm not understanding, and it's quite important, and I don't know what to do. That's about that. I'm not really interested. Very. Uh-oh, what, Bob? Which part is... Oh my gosh. What, me going to upset some people? Not yet. I'll just say that. It won't happen yet, but... It's been on my mind, it's been bugging me a little bit. I've done the back testing with it. One day, if or when I have enough money, I'll try something. You're doing great. Remember, trading is get rich slow game. I hope you become better. I'm trying to decide if that's an insult or not. Believe me, I know. It is definitely a get rich slow thing. I have been going slow. Believe me. Where's the 15? Okay, not even 15 yet. Oof, that would have been insta freaking stop loss. Look at that. Wow. Just wow, a little bit of a rejection off of the 5 minute. I forgot to mark this. It's the 5 minute. Well, and the 9:30. A double whammy. Back into range. Playing against them. This is a friendly rugby tournament. They stream all this. This week's been too good. One human can go through such... Can't go through such highs. OTT? I don't know. I don't know about that. I guess if you have a concept that's just that good, you could. Oh, those are nice. This would look really nice. Sorry. Bob sent me and I'm like, you're right. It would look so cool. Okay, back into range we go. It did take out London low, so now let's see. You're gonna get rid of your RR and use a trailing stop. No. No. Should I tell you? Should I tell you or should I just surprise you one day and upset like a lot of people? Because I probably will upset a lot of people. Bounced off the demand zone perfectly. Bounty on my head. Ooh, nice. You did call it. Back into 930. Well, we have our 15-minute range. Good actual grief. Okay, here's the 15-minute. Breaking above. Do you think it's going to take out these equal highs and Asia high? Oh, it could actually want to do that. Back into opening price. Let's see, because look at these freaking candles. Look at that push. That is insane. This is absolutely insane. Okay, let's see what happens here. Like I said, I'm super bummed, but it is what it is. It's a sell day for sure. Really? After this spike, you think it's a sell day? Create an SMT there. Look at those relative equal highs. Is struggling to break above, but very quickly broke above there. This could start going up. My goodness gracious, my flesh! Why? What happened? I forgot to do Bob Quote Friday. Oopsies. I'm gonna do that now. Well, after this. And equal highs now officially... Nope, not officially yet. There we go. Officially taken. And London high. There we go. Back into opening range. And back up we go. A little bit of a rejection off of there. Seriously? Let me double check one last time. Nope. Count is still not synced. If this doesn't become synced by Monday, I will rage. I will rage. That was the easiest 180 points of my life. I don't know, bias is always as bullish, but I've been wrong this week. My .com TP was getting ticked for like 30 seconds. I'm so sorry. I took the long level to level 1 and done. Look at NQ on the 4-hour and daily. I will now. OTT, you're in a long. Ow, I just scraped my head. I want to say I have FOMO, but I can't even do anything. Okay, but let's look at the let's start with the daily. Sorry, I'm a bit salty, but sorry. On that note, whoop whoop, Geordie, well done for winning. That is awesome. Very, very well done. Okay. 1 hour. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we retested back up to, what did I say earlier? Yeah, 13144-ish level. I wouldn't be surprised if we retested back up to there. Yeah, let's see. Or maybe that 957-ish. Again, won't be surprised. Create an SMT now. Cool. And 4 hour. For 5.8, yeah. No, there. 038. Okay. Mitigated that fair value gap on the 4 hour. Awesome. To the minute. If the Wi-Fi, come on, little antenna, do your thing. Pick it up. Let's go. Bing, 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 bing. Okay. Sorry, I'm having way too much fun with these. Anyways. Back down. Oh my greatness. I'm checking out before the level was hit, though. I gotta learn more. Video count is only usually a part of the story. Platinum player, let me float you something, baby. What does that mean? Stop me get hidden shall be done for the day. Oh, shut up, nerd. Me? What did I do? Told you get in for. If you're talking to me, my answer to that is I've told you I can't trade today. So, you know, you can tell me whatever you want. I won't be able to do anything. Literally. Absolutely. Zip. Zero. Nada. Not that I do not want to. Literally that I cannot. Which does indeed suck. So frustrating. Let's redo this. Am I a butterfly? No, apparently I'm a fairy. She was a fairy. Stop loss. No, OTT, I'm so sorry. Jermaine, a synchronizing issue with my dashboard and trading view. My dashboard somehow magically says I'm down $1,000 when I didn't take a trade. I did make them aware. They did say they are aware of the issue and they apologize and they're sorting it out. And they did say, please don't trade so that the sync doesn't become more of an issue. Yeah. Good bounce off of there. I guess a retest into the 15-minute. It did kind of break up, but yeah. I mean, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see. No, I didn't blow my account. No. Did not blow my account. What did I click for? TP? Is it by stop? Are you? What are you in, Mikuwabe? It does, Jermaine. It does. Oh, you got it at the right place. I put mine in Discord. I'm locked out. My finger's getting itchy. It's been a long week. Yeah, Solly, I hear you. Mikuwabe? Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna then be on for super duper long because obviously I can't trade. So if you're keen, I can hop on Discord and I can help you on Discord, Mikuwabe. Let me know if you're keen for that. We can have a Valentine's special. We can all hop on Discord. I told you this day is going to be garbage. The Bob too much. I've been calling people boy. Accent. That is amazing. That's hilarious. To be fair, I've been saying y'all a lot. Ah, look at that. Interesting. Still stuck in this range though. Managed to break out of that 930. Rejected off of it twice, but broke above. See, it hasn't quite taken it there. Let's see how this goes. A long order. Okay, has it tagged you in, Mikuabe? It's really Yo, Sally, you're welcome for my... Why do you think I was dressed like this? Did you... What? Anyways, like I have questions. Did you think I was dressed like this for funsies? I was liquidity. No, OTT, did it just wick you out? That sucks. I'm so sorry. You know what you get for that.
Emotional damage.
I'm sorry, that was mean. I'm sorry. But this is...
Okay, let's go.
That's just from Mikuabe. I specifically got it from Mikuabe. No, not yet, but I've set the limit order. Does it have to tag me in first? Yes. Tag you in, and then when you're in the buy, you would do a... Because you're looking for a buy, obviously. So you would do a sell stop, not a buy stop. It must be a sell stop. But yes, with the limit order, it has to come back down, tag you in, and then you must place a sell stop where you want to, like, if you want to take one partial at a certain point, put the sell stop there and put however many contracts wherever you want to put it. Okay, let's go. The song used to play at one pool place in Centurion. We used to party hard there at... Oh, that one pool place in Centurion. Are you talking about Old Boys? Are you talking about Old Boys? Please say you're talking about Old Boys. Do you know I used to go there all the time? Like, I actually miss going to Old Boys. I enjoyed playing pool so much. That's what I think about this price action today. So clearly it was actually a blessing in disguise. I think we're shooters or something. Okay. Okay. Come on, it's funny. It is awesome. Hey Chris, how you doing? Oh, my Friday is good. Happy early Valentine's Day. How you doing? Hope everyone is amazing. Just amazing. Yeah. Sorry, Old Boys is so much fun. Do you know what's absolutely wild? We have probably been to Old Boys at the same time. Obviously, we just didn't know each other then, but yeah, I think that's absolutely wild. We've probably been there, like, chilling, and we just didn't even know it. Talisman, nice setup for where? And they have decent pizza in Old Boys too. They do. The pizza there was actually really good. Like, it's a little bit expensive, but it's yummy, so it's fine. I say that, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Sorry, now I'm reminiscing. Old Boys was tons of fun. I look scary around my friends, so you probably have hit eye contact. You look scary. I can't imagine that. To be fair, I don't even know what you look like, but I highly doubt you were scary. Let's just be real. If anyone is scary, it's me with my resting bee face. I look very much like this. And like if I'm standing at the bar, I look very cold like this. People used to run away from me. Well, no, run away is maybe a strong word. Let's not say run away, but I used to, when I was younger, get super upset with that because I would like go out with friends and all the guys would approach them and no one would approach me. So I was like, oh, I'm just so ugly. And then they're like, no, they are scared of you because you look like you're ready to punch them in the face. And I was like, you know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. That's cool. I'm fine with that. Got an AI pick on this. Exactly. Are we buying when price goes to the lows, right? No, I'm hands off. Well, I can't trade, number one. And number two, ooh. Number two, ooh, what am I doing? Oh, there we go. I literally can't trade even if I wanted to. And this price is just going sideways right now. I would need some proper confirmation before getting into anything. Are you sure that when I put a sell stop, I'm not going to get put in a short? Mikwava, as long as you're in the long already, yeah. I promise. I promise. As long as obviously you don't have more contracts in the sell stop than what you have put in. But it has to be a sell stop or else you're adding to your buy. So then you'll just be adding contracts, and if it then reverses, you are screwed. That sounds bad, but yes. So it has to be a sell stop. It must be the opposite of what you're in. So if you were in a sell, you would put a buy stop. Your friends lied. You're fine for nothing. Oh, scary. Probably thinking, what is this little girl looking at? That's so rude. Oh, was you the friend that stopped your friend with getting with the dude? No, I would help them out if they actually wanted to get with someone, I guess. I was also the one that would stop them. I was like the mom of the group. Actually, looking back, that kind of sucks. I was the mom of the damn group that then when they got in trouble, I would have to break up the fights. And I would have to, like, drag them outside. I literally accidentally broke someone's watch the one day because I pushed them into the revolving door because they were trying to fight. And I, like, slammed the revolving door on their watch and broke their watch. I felt bad afterwards, but I was really annoyed. So, it is what it is. Hey, beans on toast? Sorry, it's not beans on toast, but I see beans and I see toast, so it's beans on toast. Oh no, I was that girl. Yeah. Wait, what's that girl? Like the mom? Yeah. Maya caused all the I did not cause all the No, my friend caused all the fights. I just finished them. No, I'm joking. Who is this girly girl? Am I fluent in German language? If yes, which words? You know, I'm definitely not fluent in German. Definitely not. I am fluent. I nearly lied and said I'm fluent in English. I think you guys have been watching me stream long enough to know that's a lie. I'm okay at English, and English is my first language. So that's it. The momager. That is hilarious. My other maps. Hey John, what's up? How you doing? Oh my gosh. So funny. You guys are, yeah, you were too much. Yeah. I was the momager. Until I was the problem, then I was the proper problem. But in general, I was the momager. I think I've just always been the one that looks after people. Whether I liked it or not, I would just always end up looking after people. My two commentary boss was 6 foot plus both bodybuilding. Like, trouble magnets. Every bloke in 20 kilometer thought they needed to prove themselves. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. Solly, that no. You don't strike me as a Karen though. You know how you always get that complaint in the group. Oh no. No. I never, ever, I, believe it or not, I don't do confrontation. That's the thing. I do not do confrontation. I will never ever do confrontation. I'm always very nice to people. Like even if like there's someone being mean to someone, like I'm just giving a for example, right? If someone was like yelling at a cashier or something, next I'll be like, that lady's a B or whatever, you know, try and make them feel better. You know, people make mistakes. I would never pull that on anyone. I'm way too nice to do that, and I would feel way too bad. Ugh. My friend would just really like to start drama, and then I would have to finish it. If it was me either dragging her away or me standing in between them, a lot of the times, oh, this is gonna sound bad. This actually happened at flipping, oh my gosh, what's it called? Oh, at Ridgebacks. This happened at Ridgebacks. So maybe not the mom, but I was like the protector of the group. But that sounds, that, I know what Solly's gonna say. You have a big head. It does make me sound very big-headed, but my friend is smaller than me, believe it or not, like shorter than me. And this guy was trying to get with her, and obviously she was not interested. So I would like stand between, and I told him to back off. Well, I've had some crazy things happen to me in my past. This is why I probably don't go out anymore. It's just not worth it. It's not worth the drama. Because I told him to back off, he grabbed me around the neck and stuff, and then I may or may not have kicked him really hard. But that's what I mean. That's why when I say I finish the fights, like I end it. If it's me either dragging her away or me telling the other person to back off, it is what it is. Hey Circle, what's up? You know where I used to work? Oh, Momentum, one next to Caltrain and Centurion. Geordie? Literally, I used to live right by the Caltrain. I used to take Perry for a walk. I know past the Caltrain's not the best place to be walking, but I literally used to live, whoever's, right there. I could see the Caltrain every single day. Actually, the Momentum was just down the road. What? You were just down the road from me. That's wild. Anyway, sorry. Random. I'm so sorry for anyone that's just hopped on with having random conversations, but I mean, this price action does indeed suck. Anyway, what do you think? Do you think I should stick to keep trying to understand this part of the strategy, or I don't know, find something else? Which part, Mikuwabe? Are you thinking like your strategy, or are you talking about trading view? Now I'm confused. At the same huge fight there as well. No, exactly. Ridgebacks. It's full of confrontations. Oh no. I want to fight the market makers for this price action. Honestly, we can party approve. Let's do it, Geordie. Got you. No, Geordie, we must have. I mean, and then over the weekends going to Centurion Mall, let's just be real. We must have crossed paths somewhere at some time. And yeah. In my past evil, you need to break out the dancing boots. I can't dance though, so, you know. Unless it's super orkies, I can do like that sprinkler.
That was not gay.
Oh my gosh. Miss Maya on weekends should be training my time. Ooh. Hey, Blocks Roddy, what's up? God, that was so bad. That was not okay. Okay, I will. Let's give this. What do you guys think? Let's give this 5 more minutes. If this price